Hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's going to be a short video, but it's a little bit different. Check this out. 1971 Jag. Oh, come on. Iconic profile. This one is a little bit different though. They pulled the engine from it and put in a 92, I think she said, 92, 93 fuel injection engine. Less troubles, more time for enjoyment. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So it has been sold. Unfortunately, nobody, you guys can't buy it at this point. I believe it's on its way to Holland. So if you guys see this in Holland, tag us. We would love to see what it's doing over there. New adventures, I'm sure, for the car. So that was a bit of a treat. Nice car. Wow. The owner, I'm not sure if she wants me to say her name, so I won't, is a great lady. She was giving me so much background about the car. It was kind of a midlife crisis purchase. I'm glad she got it, and I'm pretty sure that she was happy with it. She's had it for a little while. I will see you guys later. Thank you very much for watching. This is Initial Speed, and I'm out.
Another reason to get rid of it is it's so hard to get into and out of.